Hello, hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. Yes, the third puzzle is a binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number, not number, in today's newspaper of Friday. Yes, in this additional of Friday, August the 19th, 2022, I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and 4 star Sudokus. Two puzzles remain, the tectonic and the binary, but it's now binary time. Number, this will be number 5042. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, Hano Dano. Double one, Hano Dano. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, Hano Dano. Between two O's comes in 1. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Well, we have here 3 ones in this row. If I place number 4 here, the fourth one, then we have 4 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Still 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we still have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Between two ones comes an O. 1 2 3 4 O, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Then between two O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here in the first column, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Well, and now, alright. Now I need to think, or compare. Well, I think we need to compare then. Yeah, we need to compare. Alright. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 completed columns. Okay, let me see. Well, can I compare this column? Yeah, this column and that column. 1 1 empty box. 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 empty box. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. 1 2 3 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1 2 3 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Need to compare again. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Yes. Question is the rows. Do we need to? No, I think the columns we need to compare. Ooh, difficult one. 0101. Do we have 0101 here? No. 1010 then. here 1010. This column and that column. Yeah, let me compare. 1100 1100 empty box. 1100 empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Finish in 5 minutes. Yes! You need to compare, and I like this one. Yes, so we do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today. A tectonic with 4 stars, aka Sudoku in Japanese. In Dutch, they call it Cyber block. Until then, bye bye for now.